Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a lightning crystal, conduit rod, enchanted wood, level 12 crafting, and 50 metal shards. Head to the Stormforge anvil at the ruins during daytime because the lightning nodes are active then. Once there, harvest the easiest node first to secure a crystal, then salvage 2 mechanical enemies for a conduit rod. Make sure to bank excess materials so you don't waste inventory space, and prepare 1 healing potion before starting the assembly. You now assemble the base. At the Stormforge anvil, attach the conduit rod to the enchanted wood to form the staff shaft. This stabilizes the core. Once done, insert the lightning crystal into the core slot and fit 3 capacitor coils around the crystal to regulate discharge. Then position the staff beneath an active lightning node and initiate a 45 to 60 second charge. Hold steady to avoid overcharge. If the infusion gauge spikes, pause briefly. Controlled pulses produce a stable, upgrade-ready core. You finish by applying the Stormseal rune to lock properties and then calibrate trigger sensitivity to prevent accidental surges. Next, test fire on a training dummy to verify base damage, chain lightning behavior, and surge chance. Make small adjustments to coil tension if needed. If the staff refuses to hold charge or overcharges, cool it immediately with a water flask, remove the crystal, and repeat the charging step at lower pulse intervals. Once stable, store the staff safely and practice controlled bursts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.